Hi guys, I'm back. I'm really sorry. It disconnected again, and I'm really not moving from here. Am I audible now? Okay, just let me know if I'm audible. Hey Harveena, am I audible, Harveena, now? Hey Manisha. Hello Neeta ji. Hey Nilshri, how are you? Okay, great Harveena. Okay, we can start with the questions. I'm really sorry. Okay Manisha. Okay Manisha, if there is any specific question, you just need a card. Like, do you need guidance or you just need a card? Okay, I do see that. Okay, I am audible. Great. Okay. Everything is good. Manisha, right? Yes. Manisha, everything is good. And there's a lot of spirituality I think you're drawn towards these days. That is what I feel. And it's pretty good for you. If you've already not picked up something, I would really suggest you to start meditating. That is going to be excellent for you. I think so. You are drawn towards spirituality these days, and there are a lot of blessings also coming your way. So be rest assured, everything is good. Okay, Herbina, let's take a card for you. Okay, Herbina, there's a lot of stress in your mind, is it? And if it is mostly due to the financial bit in the work, I would suggest you to go ahead and get your do some cleansing on your lower chakras. If you want, I can message you. I can let you know. Just connect with me once. I'll let you know what meditation you need to do. That's going to help you immensely. And there is nothing as such which is really a botheration, but yes, I do see there is some kind of you're really thinking about maybe you're not getting that kind of financial result as you desire. That's the only botheration that I feel right now. You think on that perspective, and yeah, that's it. But you really need to work on your lower chakras. Maybe you have leg pain or back pain. That might also be there. So let me know. I'll share a meditation with you that will really help you. Hello Bharti. Hello. Sna. Okay, my name Ranjit Kaur. शादी कब होगी? Okay. We are taking the question for Ranjit Kaur. शादी कब होगी? Okay. Okay, there are high chances that you're going to get married next year. Yeah, there are extremely high chances. Yes, mostly towards the next November. But yes, next year seems to be quite good for your marriage proposals as well. If you have not already met somebody that you like, next year you would surely. And next November is high probable month for you to get married. Okay, Kiran, stability in career card for you. Alright, Kiran, we are taking up your question now. Okay. Stability in career would come, give it say about 9 months. Okay, until those 9 months, you should not leave any opportunity that comes your way. There are few times that you get some kind of opportunity, but you think it would be beneficial or no. But don't really contemplate so much. Try and grab as many opportunities as you can, Kiran. I would suggest that. You should, I won't say take financial risk, but yes, you need to take few more risks in order to really get that kind of growth that you're really desiring. Okay. Hey Sarika. Thank you. Thank you. I'm good, Nilshri. Thank you. Okay, Bharti. Let us take that question. When will he get married? Okay. Say, अभी बहुत time है. There is no way that it is happening anytime soon. Next year, October से पहले, no chance. Okay. Card for you, Neeta. All right. Bharti, do tell me if I'm right or wrong. Okay, Neeta ji. It's a wonderful card for you. You are a person who's very close to nature, who loves nature, and who loves exploring new things, who's never shy of learning anything new. I do see that you always grab any opportunity for learning that comes your way, and everything is good. In fact, there's some kind of change that you will see post October as well. I do see that. But yeah, you are a person who really loves nature, who loves your surroundings, Hello, Shruti. Okay, Daljit Kaur has another question. Harjeet Singh, please tell about abroad visa कब लगेगा और क्या सही होगा? Okay. Guys, I would please request you to share this video as much as possible, this live session, and do like our page and do like Mrs. Diva as well, please. Okay, there is time for that, Daljit. Harjeet Singh would not have a visa. Actually, I would suggest you to please wait. I think it's not even right now to apply for a visa. You have to be really sure of what you really want. You need to, it's like we don't know how to cook, okay? But how can I explain? Okay, he's not sure what he wants. What would he do? I'm not sure about that yet. So I think he needs to make his mind clear first, and then only he should apply. And right now, my suggestion is not even applying for a visa. He won't get through. Okay. I'm good, Shruti. Thank you. How are you? Okay, am I getting different? Thank you, Shruti. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay. Hi Neha. Thank you for joining in. Okay. Kirtika. Hello. Please tell about married life, childbirth, and new house. Okay. We can only answer one question, Kritika. So I would take up your married life. Okay. next, right now I do see there is a lot of ego that is there. Maybe your partner is a little ego, is a little rigid. Okay, that would definitely change, but that's not happening until the next 4 months. 4 to 6 months, you will see a drastic change in your partner. If he is egoistic, there is a lot of change that is going to come your way in your relationship. 6 months down the line, yes, there is a lot of change, and you would see that it's altogether a new man standing in front of you. Okay, Niva. Okay, let's take a card for you. Okay, Niva, you are an exceptionally content person. Okay, however, you always want to do something new in your career. I talk about career front right now. Even right now, you're thinking about something. There is something going on. Maybe a new project. Maybe some kind of new thing is going in your mind. Definitely. But I would just suggest you to don't rush into it. Think about all the repercussions, and keep all the pros and cons in your mind. But yes, of course, you're somebody who always have something in your mind always, and that's a very, very good trait of you. But yes, I would suggest, if there is some kind of thing that you want to plan or you want to start, I would request you to take it a little slow. It would happen, but take it a little slow. Just don't rush into it. But yes, you're a very content person. Okay, sure. Okay. Thank you so much all for tagging your friends. Thank you. Keep tagging, keep sharing. Thank you, Didi. Hello, Didi. Abhi bhi okay. It's still noisy. Thank you, Niva. I'm glad. Okay, Nidhi. Let's check about work expansion. Nidhi, I will suggest you to wait for some time, next 6-7 months. Don't think about expanding too much. Maybe just do something new, but don't expand. Wait for some time. 6-7 months, I think you would really have to put in a lot of hard work, and you would not get that kind of result that you would really get out of kind of expansion. Yeah, I would suggest you to wait 6-7 months. Wait. Thank you, Nidhi. I'm glad. Is it still there? Okay, I'm not sure what to do. Okay, just give me 1 minute. I'll sign out and I'll take up another hotspot. There's actually no Wi-Fi, so I work on hotspot only these days. Just give me 1 minute. I'll log off. Is it clear now? Asa, is it clear? Hey Shikha, I'm good, thank you. Vandita Shetty. Is it still breaking? Okay. I'll disconnect the... No, I don't have two devices. It was connected to Bluetooth actually. Is it okay now? Thank you, Sarika. No. Okay. I'll have to log off and log in then. Is it better? Okay. Okay, let's try. I'll get my iPad closer. Okay, am I audible now? Put on your earphones. I don't have earphones. Okay, hi mama. It's still cracking. Better. Okay, great. Finally, thank you. Just go up. Hi Didi. Okay, Vandita. It's better. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much for cooperating. Okay, Vandita, I'm taking up your question. One card for future. Okay, Vandita, you need to start saving a little more. I think you really need to take care of your finances pretty well. And there is some kind of good news if you're looking for a job, if you're looking for some business opportunity. 6 months down the line, you would definitely experience a little victory or maybe a big victory. Victory is there in 6 months. Uh, some kind of achievement, you will be recognized. Mm, if you're in job, maybe you will be recognized in your job. If you're in business, you will have a lot of recognition. Maybe a lot of people would know about more about your business. And yes, post 6 months, things are extremely great for you. But yes, you need to start thinking about saving a little more. Your savings are not correct. Maybe you need to change your investment plans. Okay. Hi Sakshi, thank you for joining in. Okay, Neha. Hi Neha. Neha, a card for me for expansion in woodcraft business. Okay Neha, let us answer your question. Thank you so much for joining in, Neha. And I promise next time I think I will have to figure out some earphone, because I think it happened last time as well. I'm really sorry guys that it happens every time. Okay, Neha, you need to bring in a little more flexibility in your choice. Maybe whatever you do, maybe pieces or whatever the work, the maybe the art or whatever you choose, there is some kind of flexibility that is required. And I think if your husband can chip in a little more, it's going to be really good for you. I'm not sure if you're already into your business with your husband, or it is just you. But if he does a little more in your business, if he chips in a little more, it will be really, really good for you. And yes, you can definitely expand, but you need a little more flexibility. Something. It is showing me some kind of rigidity is there. But yes, if you be a little more flexible in choosing, or maybe taking it a little easy, it would really bring a lot of transformation. You should surely go for expansion. Don't worry about it. It will be really beneficial. Okay, thank you, Mama. Okay, Neha asks, hi, I'm into baking. Can I know how will I do in future? Okay, let's check. So Neha, we are taking up your question. Okay, it's going to be slow, Neha, but yeah, it's not me. Obviously, the cards are saying that you need to maybe your strategy. You need to change your strategy. Then only right now, I think there's a lot of chaos that I see. Somehow there's a lot of chaos, and you really need to change in the strategy that you have for your business. Then only it can work. You need to gather a lot of strength and do something about it if you really want to sustain that business. very low. Okay, Pooja. Okay, don't be depressed, Pooja. I'll help you, don't worry. Pooja says, very low today, don't understand what to do, very depressed, please take out a card from me. Okay, Pooja, everything is all right, okay? It is just a phase. There is nothing. They're wonderful cards. You know, don't worry too much. You worry too much. Don't worry. Don't think so much. You're just thinking. Your mind is just not stopping at all. You know, it is just your mind. You are not able to control your mind. Your mind is controlling you. Don't really do that. Thank you, Shikha. Actually, it has been here since my daughter's birthday, which was in July, so we haven't taken that out. Okay, Shruti, we'll take out a card for you. Shruti, you'll do really well, okay? Good times are ahead, and your business and you personally also would see a lot of happiness, lot of opportunities, and everything is good. In fact, good times are ahead, and you're absolutely in the right business. So just keep growing, keep coming up with new things, and whatever confusion is there in your mind, just let it be. It has to be there. It will be dealt with automatically. But yes, good times are ahead. So definitely, you know, always wow us with your amazing collection. It's just beautiful. I love your logo. Okay, Bharti, one card for you. Okay, Bharti, you recognize this card? Okay, it's an amazing card, and you know why it is there. So all the best. Health card. Okay, Shikha, we'll take out a health card for you. Okay. Shikha, off late you have been feeling a lot, you know, helpless or maybe vulnerable. You're not able to figure out what exactly is the problem that you're facing. Just let me know if that's correct. I would suggest you to see it is get your B12 tested, Shikha. I would suggest you that, and wear a lot of green color. The cards are just filled with green color. It's going to be it will, if there is some problem that you're facing, that will definitely change. And get your B12 tested, Shikha. I do see that there is a lot of fluctuation in your B12, vitamin B12. I'm pretty sure about it. Shambhavi. Okay, sure. When will I get a good government job? Okay, Shambhavi Mishra. I'm sorry, I missed your question last time. I'll just take it. Okay, there is time for that. For the next 5 months, I don't see. In fact, there is a hell lot of competition in whatever sector that you're looking in. There's hell lot of competition, and I would suggest you, if you can, find a plan B as well, because there is time to this. It's not going to happen anytime soon. I would suggest you find a plan B. I think you already have a plan B too. It's not that you only are stuck with that plan. So try and see if you can maybe pursue your plan B right now. There'll be a lot of competition in whatever sector that you're picking up in, and abhi there is time. You would need to wait. Okay, Resham, thank you for joining in. Okay, Resham, amazing cards for you. Okay, just keep on. Your work is going to be good. Your health is going to improve. I do see some kind of teamwork as well and happiness in the family too. So be rest assured. Be happy. It's all good. Very good cards. Okay, Neha, we took up your question. Okay. Thank you, Shruti. Hey, Priyanka. A card for me regarding the selling of family land. Okay, Toshi, we will take up your question. Okay, there is a lot of stress I do see, but if there can be any woman, a wise woman that can be involved in this procedure, if somebody in the family, somebody that you think that you can trust, an involvement of a woman, a wise woman, can really do wonders. If that can happen, it will happen smoothly. Right now I do see there's a lot of stress built up because of that, but yes, if there is an involvement of a woman in it, it would happen seamlessly, surely. Somebody who's really wise. Thank you, Shika. Hey, Kumar, thank you. Welcome, Neha. Thank you. Okay, Komal, we'll take up a card for you. Okay, Komal, I do see there is some kind of disappointment that you're going through. Maybe, maybe if you're married with your husband, with some very close relationship that you have in your life, there is some kind of disappointment. You're almost heartbroken because of something. But yes, November seems to be a month that you will feel that things are really justified. Justice will be served to you. So yes. Wait until November. There is hope. Don't worry. But I do see some kind of heartbreak or some disappointment that you have had. But yes, I do see that you really have to work hard. You will always have to work hard in your life, Komal. सब्र का फल मीठा होता है. Last time भी बताया था. Okay, Priyanka, great. Okay, Neha, can a card for my business, please? Shall I add my husband with me in the same line? Please share your view. Okay, Neha. Neha Abidwal. Yes, sir, absolutely. You should definitely, he should chip in. Yes, he should. Don't leave that opportunity. Try your level best to convince him. Okay. I'm in education. Radha Suman. I'm in education. What is the future? But Shruti, I have answered your question. Don't worry. I'm in education. What is the future? Okay. Okay. See, if you want financial growth, it won't give you that kind of financial growth, but yes, the future is fine. But if you really look for something more that can give you more financial returns, then educational sector would not probably be for you. But yes, if you're okay without it, then of course you should just go ahead. But yes, I don't see that you will be benefited a lot financially if you pursue this sector. Yes, Neha, we answered. Okay, Shivani. Okay, want to know about my health issues. All right, Shivani Kakkar. Okay, Shivani, I do see there's a lot of. Okay, your emotional health is real. Your emotional health is disturbed. Actually, I don't see. Okay. Shivani, please don't wear black color at all. It's really not good for you. Please avoid to wear black color. Please avoid it. And health is, it's more of emotional issues I see in your thing. You know, okay, you feel left out. You feel that you really are managing everything all alone, and you know, you just get stressed, and it's showing up in your health. That is what is happening with you. But yes, try and stop wearing black completely. Okay. Hello, Shobha. Sure, Archana Didi, we'll take out a card for you. Okay, so there is a lot of hard work that you will have to put in, but yes, you will get what you deserve. So don't worry at all. I think next year will be better for you than, I think next year will be better for most of us. I think this year has not been great and really nice to most of us. But yes, this year there's a lot of stress and there's a lot of hard work that you have to put in. Next year you will see results for it. You will definitely see results for it. Yes, happiness is there next year. A lot of happiness, a lot of fulfillment, a lot of whatever you deserve, you will get. Hello, Sarita ji. Okay, Archana Didi, I said, yeah, next year will be better. You will see a lot of growth next year. This year, there is a lot of hard work that you have to put in. Okay, a card for me, Priyanka. A card for me, please, with regards to the new business. Okay. Great. It's going to do great. Absolutely. You know, it shows it's this card, of course, and the new business, I know, of course, it's of Oatleys, clutches, mostly related to women. It's going to do well, don't worry. Hey Rashi, how are you? Thank you for joining in. Seema Khurana, your question now. Okay, your health, I think the only thing you should be worried about is your joints and maybe calcium a little bit. Other than that, I don't see you just seem to be so confused about your health. Also, I do see that there's a lot of confusion in your mind. You're not sure what's happening, but there is nothing much that is really a concern, a grave concern. You should just get your calcium in order. Maybe you are facing joint pains, or pain in the bones. That is what I see. Apart from that, there is nothing. Maybe you need to do some exercises that would help you. There's a lot of confusion in terms of health that's going on in your mind. Thank you, Pooja. You need to cheer up. Okay, Shilpa Sharma asks, okay, I'm sorry, Radha Suman Srivastava, when situation will be in control at work? Okay. Okay, it's going to take at least 8 months. There's nothing that's going to change. There's a lot of juggling, and some people are not very honest at work as well. There are a lot of things that you that are not really being there in open. There's a lot of how do I say, people are running away from responsibilities. They're not being honest. They're different on your face. But yes, nothing's going to change until the next 7-8 months. I don't see that, rather. Okay, Shilpa Sharma asks, Lokesh Sharma, financial problem. Okay, thank you guys once again for joining in. Please keep sharing the video, the live session. Please like Mrs. Diva. Please like Mystic Sun Tarot as well. Okay, Lokesh Sharma, financial problem. Okay, it will get sorted. You need to give me 1 minute. I just need to shuffle one more time. There is some kind of debt also, I do see. There is, okay. Okay, he has, see, whatever he is invested in, I think maybe there is some investment that has just become like a debt for him. I think that is what has happened. And next 2-3 months there will be opportunities for him to really get some financial benefit. I think he should not leave that opportunity. Whatever opportunity, I'm not sure what sort of an opportunity would that be, but yes, this is for Shilpa Sharma, okay, Lokesh Sharma. But yes, after 2-3 months, there is some kind of change that you would see in his financial condition. He will get some opportunity to recover that financial loss he has, or maybe some benefit that he would see. But yes, I do see that he's really worried about what has happened. Okay, Tarun Kanojia, when do I get married? Okay, Tarun. Tarun, I think you are already meeting people, right? Are you, or are you not? I think so, and you have not been able to actually meet the right person. Okay, next year I do see, and I feel that you would meet somebody you would really like. That's going to happen next year. Yes, it would happen next year. You would meet someone. I'm not sure. I don't think so it's going to be marriage that I see on the cards next year. But yes, you would meet somebody you would really like. Somebody who will just ignite that spark That is going to happen next year. And this was for Tarun Kanodia. Okay. Okay. Priyanka, I was actually about to say that I thought maybe it is an error, and I've been seeing the same question. I have seen that question at least 15 to 20 times, and I have already answered that question also. That was my question. I thought maybe I'm wrong. Thank you, Shruti. Oh, great, Shambhavi. Okay. Okay. Shivani Kakkar, I did answer your question. Thank you, Prisham. Sure, Shreya. I'm going to take that to you. Okay. Shreya, actually, you're somebody who would always make something out of something. You will always be like that. You will always create, and I think you're already that. So that shows in your card as well. Okay. There's a lot of happiness, a lot of love, a lot of feeling of need for each other, soulmate feeling that's going to happen next year, and it's an amazing year. It's going to be a very good year, Shreya. Don't worry. On family front, on work front as well. A great year. So, make the most of it. Hello, Chinti. Okay, Chinti. I'm reading to you. It says, read for my Oriflame business. There's a lot of competition that I see. That satisfied, that happy in that business. If there is a chance, or I'm not sure if you're really rigid about it that you can't change. If you have, I would suggest you to switch from what you're doing to something else. There's a lot of competition there, and the competition is not going to give you happiness. It's going to give you a lot of disappointment. That's there. Thank you for joining. Okay. My younger daughter has started with a blogging journey. Please tell how it will go for her. Okay. Until the next 3 months, it would go slow. But yes, after 6 months, she would see a lot of result coming in. So whatever hard work she's putting in, 6 months down the line, she would really see the result of that hard work. She would get it. She would definitely get it. Yes. Okay. Shilpa Sharma, I did answer that question already. Thank you, Resham. Shivani Kakkar, I did answer. Hi, Vinisha. Can't see my question one. Okay, Rashi. I also actually can't see your question. So let me take out a card. Okay. Great. Okay. See, financially, if we talk, it would be a slow year, but not a bad year. Okay. But yes, next year shows a lot of hope for you. So make use of it. Be happy about it. Okay, Shivani, I do think I did answer your question, but yes, I remember that I said that there's a lot of confusion in your mind related to your health, and it's more of emotional stress that you have that has led to whatever you're feeling. Okay, Smithy, one card for me, please. Planning to expand office space. What time would be a good move? Okay. Wow. Okay. A lovely card came out. Just give me a minute, Smithy. Okay, if there is no rush, I would suggest you to do it next month in July. I'm sorry, next year in July. If you can wait until that time, if you can. But yes, whatever will happen, whatever changes you're going to make, they're going to bring you a lot of good luck as well. I do see that. Okay. Okay, I think we'll just take two more questions. When will my career set in future? Sonam Bhargav Agarwal. Okay, Sonam Bhargav Agarwal, we are taking up your question now. Your question is, when will my career set in future? Okay. Sonam, first of all, you need to be very, very sure about what are you doing. You really need a lot of introspection. Have you decided a particular career line already? I'm not sure you're too sure about what you want. You really need to do a lot of introspection. Snigdha. Sure, Snigdha. Okay, after Snigdha, we'll just take one more question, and I think then we will wrap up the session, if that's okay. Okay, Snigdha asks, general reading. Okay, Snigdha, there's a lot of teamwork that is required somehow. I'm not sure if you are the man Friday for your work. I'm not sure about that, but yes, there is a lot of teamwork that is required in your work. I think that will do a lot of confusion solving for you. There's a lot of confusion, there is, and there's a lot of meditation that you really need to do. You definitely need to do a lot of meditation yourself as well. Yes, there is the you. Okay, I would suggest you to get your chakras clean. That will help you immensely, Snigdha. That will help you immensely. But yes, teamwork is required to curb down some kind of confusion that is there. Okay. Okay, we will. Thank you. It's the last question, Sakshi. Hi, Sakshi. So this is the last question we are doing for today. General guidance for me. Sakshi. Spiritual. There's a lot. Okay, Sakshi. You know what? Your whatever you're doing, your work is going to get you a lot of recognition, a lot of contentment, a lot of happiness, and of course, I do see that you're getting a lot more spiritual than what you were. And in fact, if you are not, you would see that change that is going to happen. You are really going to. There's a lot of change spiritually that is coming in you, and I already know there's a new venture, so yes, that's going to do well, and there's a lot of happiness, a lot of fulfillment that's going to come soon. So it's a good thing. Thank you. Okay, thank you everybody. I'm really sorry, of course we cannot take all of the questions. We will come up really soon again. Thank you so much, Asta. And of course, before I leave, it's a request. Please like Mystic Sun Tarot. Please like Mrs. Diva. Please encourage all of us, to be here. We all are here because of you, and of course because of Asta Jain. Thank you so much, and Happy Navratri. Thank you. Shubh Navratri. Thank you.